Today I am reviewing the Sonos Beam Gen 2 soundbar. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what really matters, the sound quality. The Beam Gen 2 brings 200 watts of power and delivers incredibly vibrant bass, crystal clear dialogue, and a panoramic soundstage that makes any movie, TV show, or game feel immersive. But what sets this model apart from many others in its class is the addition of Dolby Atmos support. With Dolby Atmos, you're getting a true 3D surround sound experience. You can actually feel sound moving around you, from above, from behind, and from the sides. It's not just louder, it's more dimensional, more realistic, and far more engaging. Explosions feel deeper, whispers sound closer, and action scenes bring a level of clarity and detail that just doesn't come through on standard TV speakers. Now, the Beam Gen 2 doesn't just shine with movies. When the TV is off, this soundbar transforms into a high-quality smart speaker. You can stream your favorite music, podcasts, radio stations, and even audiobooks directly from all your favorite services, whether it's Spotify, Apple Music, Audible, or others. It's all supported and controlled seamlessly through the Sonos app. And speaking of control, this soundbar is incredibly easy to use. You can operate it with your TV remote, the Sonos app, Apple AirPlay 2, or even your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Yes, you can literally just ask Alexa to play your favorite playlist, adjust the volume, or skip to the next track, all without lifting a finger. Now let's talk about setup. It couldn't be simpler. You only need two cables, one for power and one for HDMI to your TV. The Sonos app provides step-by-step instructions that walk you through the process in minutes. And once it's connected, Trueplay tuning automatically calibrates the speaker based on your room's acoustics, ensuring optimal sound performance no matter where the soundbar is placed. The design is also worth appreciating. The Beam Gen 2 has a sleek, minimalist profile that looks great whether you mount it on a wall or place it on a shelf. It's compact enough to fit comfortably under most TVs without blocking the screen, and the matte black finish adds a premium, modern touch to your setup. But what makes the Sonos Beam Gen 2 truly future-proof is its expandability. If you ever decide to build a full Sonos home theater or multi-room audio system, the Beam Gen 2 integrates effortlessly. You can add a Sonos sub for deeper bass, or connect rear surround speakers for an even more immersive cinematic experience. Everything connects over Wi-Fi, so you're not limited by physical wiring or location. Now let's look at some real-world performance. With over 1,300 customer reviews and a 4.3 out of 5-star rating, this soundbar continues to earn high praise for both audio quality and ease of use. Whether it's movie night, binge watching your favorite series, or just enjoying some music while cooking dinner, users agree that the Beam Gen 2 consistently exceeds expectations. To summarize, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 offers a rare combination of premium sound, smart features, and simplicity. It's compact, powerful, and future-ready. You get immersive Dolby Atmos surround sound, easy streaming across all major platforms, and voice control, all wrapped in a sleek, understated package. If you want theater-like sound without the theater-sized space or the complicated wiring, this is it. Once you set it up and start listening, you'll understand why so many people are calling this one of the best soundbars of the year. The Sonos Beam Gen 2 isn't just a soundbar, it's your new home audio centerpiece.